The Pfaff Creative Expression 750, a premium sewing and embroidery machine built for makers who want precision and creative freedom. This isn't just a machine that stitches, it elevates every stitch. You'll find an 8-inch touchscreen that feels as easy to use as your tablet, nearly 10 inches of space to the right of the needle, that gives you room to quilt or handle large projects without feeling crowded. The IDT dual feed system moves your top and bottom fabric layers in perfect sync. Every seam smooth, every stitch accurate. A built-in camera scans your hoop designs, so what you see on screen is exactly what you'll see on your fabric. Add in a laser guidance, automatic presser foot awareness, and an embroidery area built for bigger ideas, and suddenly complex projects feel effortless. With hundreds of built-in stitches and fonts, the Creative Expression 750 becomes more than a machine. It's your tool of precision, creativity, and possibility. Just be ready, you'll want space for it, and plenty of time to explore everything it can do. Come see it for yourself at Sew and Sweep in the Town Mall of Westminster. Try it hands-on, explore every feature, and get your expert guidance from our team, something you can't get online. Your next favorite project is waiting, and the Pfaff Creative Expression 750 is ready to help you bring it to life.